Hey, this is Dr. Bob with Carolina Value Pet Care. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about dental care for your dogs. Now this is something that we don't give a lot of attention to in our dogs for the most part, but we should. For the very same reason that we give a lot of attention to dental care for people. Overall health and well-being. We know how much how important it is to keep our teeth clean, our teeth flossed and brushed on a regular basis. We can help prevent a lot of other potential diseases because this is the first point of entry for bacteria to get into our body from the outside. So let's talk a little bit about dental care with dogs in particular. Cats, a little bit different challenge, but it can be done as well. And I'm going to talk about just simply how do you start brushing your dog's teeth. Now, one thing, let me make this abundantly clear. The frequency matters, how much you do it, just like it does in people. Because unfortunately, we do get some clients who go to their dog groomer, and they'll pay an extra $10 to get their dog's teeth cleaned every 6 weeks. Little tip here, don't waste your money. Because if you're only getting your dog's teeth brushed every 6 weeks or so, whenever it gets groomed, you're just wasting your money. So here's how you're going to do it, and it's not that challenging. You just have to make a commitment, but it does take a cooperative dog too. And for many people, getting your dog to cooperate is probably the biggest frustration. So a couple tips. One, you want to make sure that you use a dog toothpaste. Do not use human toothpaste. Human toothpaste has fluoride in it. Now when we brush our teeth, we rinse, we spit. Dogs don't rinse and spit. They swallow the toothpaste. And human toothpaste has fluoride. Now, if you had a particularly small dog, like a little, 8 or 10 pound Yorkie or Poodle or Chihuahua, they're going to be ingesting that fluoride. And unfortunately, they can develop fluoride toxicity if you're brushing your dog's teeth on a regular basis. So, tip number one, find a dog toothpaste. The cool thing is you can find them in poultry flavored, beef flavored, you can find vanilla mint, so you can get flavored toothpaste for dogs that do not have fluoride in them. Second, use a soft bristled toothbrush. Third, do not use one of the they're called finger cots. There's like a little rubber sleeve, fits over your finger, and they have little soft bristles on there. Those are really just for introducing, just for trying to get your dog to learn how to accept having their teeth brushed. They're useless for brushing their teeth because the bristles are too short and too soft, basically, to be of any value. But for introducing you to getting your dog accustomed to brushing, that's what they're there for. Here's the next tip. This is really going to save you a lot of aggravation too. Now, we focus our attention on the outside of the teeth, not on the tongue side of the teeth, but on the cheek side of the teeth. Now, a lot of people will go to great lengths and try to pry their dog's mouth open and get the inside of the teeth. Here's the great news. You don't have to struggle with doing that. Most of the dental issues, and I would say 85–90% of the problems that we see with the teeth are on the outside of the teeth, starting generally up at the gum line. So those 4 tips should make things a lot easier for you to try to introduce dental care for your dog. As far as the frequency, this is crucially important. You need to do it at least every other day for a very simple reason. It takes about 48 hours for plaque. Now, plaque is actually bacteria. It actually sticks to the outer surface of the teeth. Over time, when your teeth are neglected, that's when you start developing what we call tartar. Now, if you go to your own dentist, you might have a tartar problem, and they have tartar control toothpaste, but it all starts with removing the plaque. So if you can brush your teeth at least every other day, every day is better, just like it is for us, but if you can do it at least every other day, that's going to keep that plaque from building up. That's going to be your best defense of trying to keep that tartar from trying to accumulate over time. So very simple tips, definitely give it a try. Your dog may not like it at first, but give them a treat, make it a fun sort of an event for them, give them treats as you go, and definitely worthwhile for their long-term health and well-being. So hopefully that'll get you motivated to try brushing your dog's teeth, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks, and make it a great day.